Dear students of Greenland Public School, Shivdhara, you are of class 10th. You are welcome to the new class. Dear students of class 10th, again I would like to guide you in physics in chapter electricity. Now this is page number 31. Now this chapter is going to be end after some time. Perhaps 70 to 80% of this chapter has been finished. You will pay attention now. I hope that numerical by now you would have done. Dear students, here what are the advantages of parallel circuits in domestic wiring? If wiring is done in parallel combination, then what are the advantages of that? We have to note this point by point. You will pay attention in point 1. In parallel circuits, if one electrical appliance stops working due to some defect, then all other appliances keep working normally. First point you have followed, that in parallel circuits, what happens in parallel circuits? If one appliance stops working due to some defect, then all other appliances keep working normally. So this is the first advantage. Second advantage, you will see in parallel circuits, each electrical appliance has its on switch. Dear student, in parallel circuits, each electrical appliance has its on switch, due to which it can be turned on or turned off independently or separately without affecting other appliances. Dear students, you have followed here. In parallel circuits, what happens? Each electrical appliance has its on switch, due to which it can be turned on or turned off independently without affecting other appliances. Third point, you will see in parallel circuits, each electrical appliance dear students, you will pay attention in third point. In parallel circuits, each electrical appliance gets the same potential difference, that is same voltage as that of the power supply line. As in our country, the power supply line supplies 220 volt. So in parallel circuits, each electrical appliance gets 220 volt, because in parallel circuits, each electrical appliance gets the same voltage as that of the power supply line. In our country, power supply line is at 220 volt, but in some other countries it supplies at different voltage. For example, in USA perhaps it is 110 volt. Question point 4 you will see now. In the parallel connection of electrical appliance, says the overall resistances of the household circuit is reduced, due to which the current from the power supply is high. Again listen to me, the fourth point. In parallel connection of electrical appliances, in the parallel connection of the electrical appliances, the overall resistance of the household circuit is reduced, due to which the current from the power supply is high. Because overall resistance is less than each individual resistance in parallel combination, that is why current will flow more and more. That is these are the advantages of parallel combination in domestic wiring. Now disadvantages of series circuits for domestic wiring. If domestic wiring is done in series, then what are the disadvantages? Dear student, first disadvantages you will note down. In series circuit, if one electrical appliance stops working, in series combination one electrical appliance stops working, due to some defect, then all other appliances also stop working because as the whole circuit is broken. Second point you will note down now. In series circuit, all the electrical appliances have only one switch due to which they cannot be turned on or turned off separately or independently. Third point you will note down now. In series circuit, the appliances do not get the same potential difference, that is same voltage, as that of the power supply line. For example, as we know that in power supply line in India supplies at 220 volt, but if in series resistances are connected, then in series circuit the appliances do not get the same voltage as that of the power supply line, because the voltage is shared by all the appliances. We know that individual voltage is equal to the voltage sum of the individual voltage in resistance in series is equal to the voltage as that of power supply, or we can say as that of cell. So dear students, again listen to me. In series circuit the appliances do not get the same voltage as that of the power supply line. Now fourth point, in the series combination, if series combination of electrical appliances, the overall resistance of the circuit increases too much, due to which the current from the power supply is very low. Dear students, we know that in series combination combined resistance is equal to the sum of each individual resistance. That is why resistance becomes more, and under this condition current will flow less. So these are the advantage and disadvantage of series combination, and what are the advantages of parallel combination I have taught you. So you will again see up to here. Thank you. You will remember up to here. Thank you.